All right, if you've got a yippy dog like me and you camp or travel in a hotel or even in a car, I want to present a possible solution for you. Our dog is super anxious and neurotic, but this little travel pen, so to speak, this little house that you see here, it's like this collapsible, foldable place that you can put him inside. And of course, put a soft bed in there and his water bowl. It's spacious enough for food and water. And, a couple of toys. And then it basically zips up and you can help your dog calm down a little bit. That sense of being enclosed, I think, is kind of calming for the dog. And you can certainly put like a blanket over it too. Like if you're camping and there's other dogs around, put a blanket so he can just see you and not around. But in a hotel, for example, we like to put on a white noise maker on our iPad. So, when people around are closing doors, if there's a car door closing outside, he's not just barking the whole time and disturbing other people. And, when you're out, you won't get a phone call from the hotel saying your dog is barking and you have to come back, right? So white noise on an iPad or some type of device right above your dog like that with food and water has really helped to kind of calm our dog anyway. And of course, you can test it out first to make sure it works, and you don't want to keep them in there too long, right? We try to do like a few hours at a time, but we can put this in our minivan, we can put this in the hotel, or even again inside the tent, or certainly like outside of the tent if we are camping. And he actually likes it. He kind of is a little apprehensive going in sometimes, but he generally likes it and just kind of sleeps the whole time. So we really like this little thing. Like I said, it collapses really well, and I'll show you that here in just a second. But you can take the bed in and out. And I'm going to try to do this with one hand. So it's a little awkward, obviously easier with two hands here, but just kind of got to get it folded just right. There we go. And the top zips, and there's a door built into it. There we go. And then there's a strap that you can use to kind of wrap it around so it doesn't come out on you. But with one hand, you can extend it and put it up. It's like a little tent for your dog, so to speak. So it could not be easier, and is super lightweight and durable. Also prevents bugs from coming in. If you're camping outside, it's got a nice bottom to it. So obviously bugs can get in, but they're less likely to, right? And then we put it in the car. Like, can you even find it? You can't even see it, right? It's compressed so well. Overall, highly recommended. If this video has helped you out, click that like button and don't forget to subscribe.